Have you noticed a few years ago, almost every business used SMS to communicate with customers? Whether it was an offer, appointment reminder, order update, or a festival greeting, SMS was the first choice. But today, things have changed. Smart businesses are moving away from traditional SMS and switching to WhatsApp broadcast. The reason is simple. This is where customers actually spend their time. People check WhatsApp multiple times a day. It's one of the first apps they open in the morning and one of the last apps they check before going to bed. So instead of sending messages that may never get noticed, businesses are now reaching customers on a platform they already use every day. And in this video, I'll show you why businesses are making this shift, how WhatsApp broadcast works, and why it has become one of the most powerful communication tools for modern businesses. So the tool I am using in this tutorial is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is a complete WhatsApp business platform that allows you to send official WhatsApp broadcasts, create AI-powered chatbots, automate customer conversations, manage team chats, and engage with customers from one dashboard. Whether you have a small business or large enterprise, Pabbly Chatflow makes customer communication simple, scalable, and professional. Now let's understand why broadcast is becoming the preferred choice. See, I am inside Pabbly Chatflow broadcast feature. First, you need to understand what a WhatsApp broadcast actually is. See, a WhatsApp broadcast allows you to send the same message to hundreds or even thousands of customers individually. The customer receives the message in their personal WhatsApp chat, not inside a group. This means every conversation remains private, customers cannot see each other's number, and replies come back as individual chats, making customer communications much more organized. Now let's compare SMS and WhatsApp. See, traditional SMS is limited to plain text and a limited number of characters. But with WhatsApp broadcast, you can send much more than just text. You can include images, videos, PDF, product catalogs, website link, contact cards, and much more. This allows businesses to create rich, interactive messages instead of simple text notification. Another major advantage is customer engagement. Most people instantly recognize a WhatsApp notification because they already use the apps throughout the day. As a result, customers are generally more likely to notice and interact with WhatsApp messages more than traditional SMS. Now let's talk about the types of businesses that can use WhatsApp broadcast. Almost every industry can benefit from it. Hospitals, clinics, electronics, groceries, awareness campaigns, real estate, and many other businesses. Another important benefit is branding. You can send these types of attractive templates based on your business use case to hundreds or even 10,000s of your customers without getting banned on WhatsApp. And all of this is made possible using Pabbly Chatflow. Because inside this tool, instead of using different tools for different communications, businesses can manage everything from one platform. Now let's see how to create your own WhatsApp broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you like this tool and you also want to create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own business, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. And trust me, the creation process of broadcast campaign is the easiest thing that I have ever done. I have already created multiple broadcast campaigns before. For creating a new broadcast campaign, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. Select the broadcast type from here, give your broadcaster name. Here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. For creating a contact list, you have to go in this contacts feature. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Next one is the refine audience. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude specific contacts from the list that you don't want to send the broadcast message, then you can select that individual contact from this drop down. Next, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part. Here you need to select the message type. You will see two options: pre-approved template message and regular message. A regular message can only be sent when your customer has an active 24-hour conversation window with your business. If the conversation window has expired, then WhatsApp does not allow you to send a message to your user. And then you'll need to use pre-approved template message, which is approved by WhatsApp and can also be used to start a new conversation. Select the template from here. For creating a multiple types of attractive templates, you have to go in this templates feature, as everything is present inside this single tool. And we have already created a separate detailed video of each of these features. You can check the description below for the video link. After selecting the message type, test your broadcast by entering the name and your contact number. Once you have completed all the settings, send a test message to your own WhatsApp number for checking your broadcast campaign. If you receive the message successfully, that confirms your WhatsApp broadcast is configured correctly and ready to be sent to your customers. After that, if you want to send the broadcast later, simply choose this option and select the date and time from the scheduled option. Or if you want to send it right now, just select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. This is how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. If you want me to create a detailed broadcast tutorial for your own business, just comment your business name below and I'll create a complete step-by-step tutorial for your use case. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Trust me, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.